Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to use Google Calendar for your family. So let's get right into it. First, go to the Google Calendar homepage. Here on the left side, click on the plus icon to add another calendar. Here, click on Create New Calendar and it should take you to this page. Now you can name this calendar here. I'll just name it Family Calendar. You can even add description to it. I will leave it empty for now. Then click Create Calendar. Once it's created, it will show up here on the left side. Click on it, and in this page, you can set up the calendar for your family. To do so, click on the Add People and Group, add the email of the people you want to show this calendar. Then set the permissions based on your preferences. Then click Send. Once it's sent, you can go back to your calendar and continue adding events here. Like if you are planning a lunch, you can click on the box relative to your time, and in the card you can name it. If this is a recurring activity, I'll show you how to do that too. You can add the description like where you are going to have the lunch, and then click save. If this is a recurring activity, you can just click on it, then click on the pencil icon, then under the date and time there should be a drop down menu. Click on it and make it so it's available on every day by clicking on custom and then choosing all the days. Then click done and it should be added here. Click on save and it will reflect on the Google Calendar. And that's it. That's how you use Google Calendar for your family. Thank you for watching and I hope this guide was helpful to you.